Now we have done ordered and unordered lists in HTML. We have a third guy called description list. Description list has a structure of terms and definitions. Now, for example, in a dictionary, you have a term and a description. Look at our example here. We have web programming, Scala, and Python. And beside it below, we have the description. Let's look at how it looks in the code. You have the overall enclosing tag, the DL, standing for description list. Now, each item and description is gotten using the DT and DD. DT is the description term, so like the title, and DD is the description definition, so the definition of that term. So you have three of this: the DT, DD, then the second DT, DD, and the third DT, DD. And then you have the look we achieved. So anytime you're looking for this type of look, consider description lists.